Well, here we are. I'm going to make some energy iced tea. And so what you do first is get some hot water. And in that you add your teas. This is peach iced tea, Herbalife. There you go. Love it. Great flavor, great energy. And the other one I absolutely love is Liftoff. Fantastic. That gives you really superpowers, for a better term. And just mix that up in your hot water. And once that's mixed up, you just add it to, I'm also adding a flavor enhancer that you get from any dollar store. And once I get all that in there, then I use my frother to mix it up. Once that's all mixed up, then I just add it to a filled sippy cup of ice, and I happen to have the crushed cube ice that is fabulous. Makes all the difference, but it took me years to get that. But let me fill up my sippy cup, and that will, all there is to it. It's that easy. Okay, so there you go. It's that simple. And just add the mixed up tea to it, and then I'll add a little more ice water till it's full up. And then I have my energy tea that, oh my gosh, I'm telling you, I can't live without it. It gives me good energy all day, and I feel fantastic, and I am so thrilled with it. Thank you very much. Enjoy.